Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? So, I just got the cage in today. So hopefully, I probably won't have bars like mocked up in the car. Actually, I might have some bars mocked up in the car by the end of this video, so yeah, we'll see. Check it out. Here it is. Just picked it up from FedEx. It's, can't really see this photo, but it's, the full RE spec cage from Injuku. It has the intrusion bars and like the NASCAR style door bars, but we're gonna do something custom for those, because the way those ones are, they're just like straight, but we're gonna have them go inside the door, so we're gonna be doing something a little different there. But everything else, all the other bars, we're gonna be using, and this is like DOM spec stuff, so it's gonna be a legit cage. Pretty excited. I gotta unpack it. Oh, I got these two trailers finished too. Let me know if you guys enjoy the updates on the work stuff, not the drifting stuff. Just finished this one up today. Gotta get the wheels on it. So yeah, let me know, because if you do, I'll keep throwing it in there. Got another one going right there. Alright, so yeah, the door bars, I think I'm gonna do the bar that comes with the kit. I'm gonna do along the bottom, just a straight bar, and then the top bar we're gonna do a custom bar that comes out into the door, and from there just have bars going out to it. So that would just make it just a little bit more wider, better when you're like getting in and out the car, and just more comfortable and stuff. But yeah, anyways, so what I'm gonna get started on now, that door always slams like that. What I'm gonna get started on now, I'm just gonna start stitch welding what I can, and yeah, go from there. Pretty stoked. It's like one step closer to having this chassis done. Then I gotta get those motor mounts. I'm gonna put the engine in. I know I keep repeating myself, but yeah. I'm gonna put the engine in, and then tube out the front, tube out the rear. It's gonna be dope. So I got some tack welds done. I'm not super happy with how they're coming out. I gotta mess with the settings a little more. But I just threw the main hoop in, and that thing fits really, really snug. That's pretty good. Shout out Injuku for making some quality cages. That's like, you almost can't even see it in there. It's just tucked up. Wow, I'm impressed with the fitment on that. Alright, this is what I got so far with the stitch welding. I'm not super happy with how it's coming out. I don't know, I can't get the settings right. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't look bad though. Pretty much got this whole side done. So, yo, what's up, guys? Still stitch welding, but I gotta tell you something. I lied to you guys. Yep, I lied to you guys. Check it out. So you know how I said there's was no rust holes in this car? There's a rust hole. So yeah, I didn't notice that until I started wire wheeling the sound deadening away. Fucking rust hole, bro. Pretty lame. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut that out, grind it down, put a little bit of sheet metal in there, call it a day. But yeah, doing the stitch welding. Some of them did not turn out that well, and I'm not very proud of them. so don't look too closely. Yeah, it's coming along. Okay, so I got the base plates in, and I have the main hoop tacked in. Yeah, it tucks up here really nicely. So I'm liking how it's looking so far. What I'm trying to do is get these pieces out right here right now. I got the bottoms of them out, but it's really hard to get all the spot welds out on them. So I think I might have to cut what I can't get the spot welds out of. So yeah, that's what's going on. Stitch welding, pretty much done. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm slowly chipping away at it. Once I do that, I'm going to put the plates on the strut towers, and then I'm going to notch the down bars and try to tack those in. It's been like 2 weeks since I put up a video. I think so. Yeah, I think it's been like 2 weeks. But I mean, I don't feel like I've made enough progress to make a full video yet. So I'm trying to chip away at it, but you know, it takes a little time to do this right. So, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna keep at it. Oh, and also, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, and go check out Twisted Motion Turbos if you haven't already. If you don't know about them, go check them out. I'm working with them now. Every turbo they sell, I can get $20 off that turbo for you. DM me on Instagram. That's the best place to get a hold of me. My Instagram is JDemario. So yeah, if you're looking for a new turbo setup, they're really quality stuff. I ran one on my SR forever. Yeah, it's just quality products. That's what I'm gonna be running on my 1J. They got all sorts of setups for different types of, you know, horsepower goals and what you're looking for. Yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that because I haven't announced that yet in the videos. So yeah, hit me up on Instagram and we'll get you set up. All right, quick little update. I got the car up on jacks now. I took the coils out because I'm about to be welding on the strut towers, and I just don't want the coils to get hot or anything. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I got this plate and I bent it to a 90. Just gonna put it up like that against the floor, just like that. Move it a little over. But yeah, kind of just something like that, and then the bar can go from there up to there, and then I can also have a bar go from here to the other side. Yeah, I'm thinking this is gonna work. I'm gonna put like a little piece of metal right here to fill this in, weld across the bottom all the way up the sides. So I think that'll be pretty good. Instead of putting a plate here and then a plate also here, I think that should work pretty good.
Get it on, boy!
Hell yeah. Look at the smoke. I think he hit some rubber or something.
Maybe.
Alright, so Vince is cutting out the quarter panel here. And look what we found. Some sun bum.
The fucking good shit!
The good shit, the sun bum, bruh. Oh yeah. It's gonna be nice and tan this summer. Alright, so pretty much got the whole back end cut out at this point. Pretty crazy looking. Still don't got the down bars in. Waiting on that. Alright, so I got all basically the whole back end cut off. I still gotta use a little bit of trimming and stuff. But, yeah, look at all this shit. This isn't even all of it. It has to be like 100 pounds of metal coming off the car. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video there. I mean, I don't have any bars in the car. I mean, I do have the main hoop in the car, but it's just tacked in. So, yeah, I didn't get as much of the cage in as I wanted to get in, but yeah, it is what it is. Plans change. So I think I'm gonna just end it here for this video, get this up, and then hopefully more cage stuff in the next video, or more maybe tube front end stuff. I'm gonna be getting the motor mounts hopefully soon, so I can throw the motor in, and that's gonna be cool to see it in the car. And then that way we can mock up the front and then mock up the rear. So yeah, that's what's going on. Little by little, progress. That's all I can do, you know? So, all right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.